Hi there, Alexa here for another quick tips and tricks. Recently, we had a query on our support email about a feature. Is it possible to make an image or an element change and mouse over? While we don't have an instant feature to achieve this, we can easily do an image change mouse over effect with our action and events feature. Let me show you how. Let's say that you have an event and that you would like to show a brief bio on one of your speakers on the event. You can make their image change into their information when a mouse hovers over the image. To do this, first put your guest's image on the page. Then name this speaker image. Add a panel and then resize it with the same size as your image. Now, set it as Start Hidden Including Contents. You can also change the background color and opacity. And then name the element in the general properties. It is important to put a name on your elements. The next is add the text element with the details of your speaker. Now place the text element on the panel. Make sure that it is well placed inside the panel, making this panel as the container element. Now move the panel element for the meantime, and then select the image. Go to the Actions and Events properties, then click Add New Action. On the event type, choose Mouse Movement, then select On Mouse Entering the Element. Next is select Show in the action, and then choose Show Target. Now on the target, choose the panel element. This is why naming the panel element is important. Then make sure to tick on the Include Contained Elements to be sure that the text element will be included in the action. Then click Done. Now you'll need to do the action to make the panel hide. So this time, select the panel. Then you'll be directly placed on the Actions and Events properties. Then click Add New Action. On the event type, select mouse movement again, but this time select on mouse leaving the element. On the action, choose hide this time, then hide target. And on the target, choose the panel element again. Then click Done. Now move the panel back and then Publish. Then preview the page. Then see the magic happen. You can also use other elements to show when you mouse over an element. Just keep in mind to put a name on the general properties of your element to make sure that you choose the correct target for your actions. And that's how you make an image change on Mouseover. If you have any questions or clarifications or suggestions, don't hesitate to post a comment on this post or reach out to us at support@convertri.com. Happy converting!